Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Next topic is GST in trading chain. Now the chain is manufacturer to wholesaler or distributor, then retailer and then consumer. It is trading chain within state. Now the first point is trading between GSTIN holders is known as business to business, means B to B. Trading between GSTIN holder and consumer is known as business to consumer, that is B to C. Now the next one is input tax or tax paid at the time of purchase. When a trader pays GST at the time of purchase, it is called input tax. Next, output tax, or it is tax collected at the time of sale. When a trader collects GST at the time of sale, which is called output tax. Now, input tax credit. What is ITC? Input tax credit. When a trader pays GST at the time of purchase, it is called input tax credit. Now, GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC, or it can be written as GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now, total value with GST is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now, let us see how to solve practice set 4.2. First question is, Chetna store paid total GST on rupees 1,05,000 at the time of purchase and collected GST rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st of July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by Chetna store. Write down the solution here. Now, first sentence is Chetna store paid. Chetna store paid total GST on rupees 1,05,000 at the time of purchase. Therefore, tax paid at the time of purchase is called input tax. Therefore, input tax is equal to rupees 1,05,000, and we know that tax paid at the time of purchase is also known as ITC. Therefore, the value of ITC is equal to rupees 1,05,000, and collected GST, and next sentence is and collected GST rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale. Therefore, it is tax collected at the time of sale which is known as output tax is equal to rupees 1,22,500. Now our aim is to find the GST payable. Therefore, write down here GST payable by Chetna Store is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now, output tax is 1,22,500 minus input tax, which is equal to 1,05,000. Now we get here 0, 0, 0, 2 and 2. Therefore, write down the answer here. GST payable by Chetna Store is rupees 22,000. Now, next question is, Nasma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected rupees 14,750 on sale. What is the amount of ITC to be claimed? What is the amount of GST payable? Write down your solution. She has paid, first one is given, she has paid GST of rupees 12,500. Therefore, write down here, it is tax paid at the time of purchase. $500 on purchase. Tax paid at the time of purchase, which is equal to input tax. Therefore, input tax is equal to rupees 12,500. Now, next sentence is, and collected rupees 14,750 on sale, and she has collected rupees 14,750 on sale. Therefore, write down here, tax collected at the time of sale which is known as output tax, which is equal to rupees 14,750. Now, first one is, what is the amount of ITC to be claimed? Therefore, the amount of ITC means input tax credit. It is tax paid at the time of purchase. Therefore, amount of ITC is input tax, means 12,500 rupees. Now, what is the amount of GST payable? Therefore, next one is GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now, the value of output tax is 14,750 minus, and the input tax is 12,500. Now minus it, 0, 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 2, we get 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we get here 2250. Therefore, it is the GST payable. Now write down the answer. ITC claimed by Nazma is rupees 12,500 and GST payable by Nazma is rupees 2250. Now next is Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Now the trading chain here is by doing rough work. First one is Amir Enterprise. Then next one is Akbari Brothers. Bang Food Corner. Next one is Bang Food Corner. GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Now for the first one, Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST. Paid GST means input tax, which is equal to rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected GST. Therefore, collected GST means output tax, rupees 4,100. Now, it is the input tax of Akbari Brothers. Write down here. Input tax of Akbari Brothers is 4,100. Bang Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of rupees 4,500. Now it is the value of tax collected of Akbari Brothers. Therefore, it is output tax, rupees 4,500. Now write down the solution here. For Amir Enterprise, tax paid at the time of purchase which is equal to input tax rupees 3,800. Now it is the ITC for Amir Enterprise. Therefore, input tax credit is equal to rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles. Therefore, tax collected at the time of sale means output tax, which is equal to rupees 4,100. Therefore, GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now the output tax is 4,100, input tax 3,800, which is equal to 300. Now our aim is to find payable CGST and SGST. Now we know that payable CGST is equal to payable SGST, which is equal to half of GST. Therefore, half of GST. Now the GST is rupees 300. Solid. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. Now we get here rupees 150. Rupees 150 CGST and rupees 150 for SGST. Now the next is for Akbari Brothers. Input taxes for Akbari Brothers. Tax paid at the time of purchase, which is equal to rupees 4,100. Therefore, ITC is equal to rupees 4,100. Output tax. Tax collected at the time of sale, and it is collected from Man Food Corner, which is equal to rupees 4,500. Therefore, GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Output tax 4,500 minus input tax 4,100, and which is equal to 400 rupees 400. Therefore, we know that the amount of CGST is equal to the amount of SGST is equal to half of GST. Now we get here half of GST is 400. 2 2s are 400. Now we get rupees 200. Therefore, CGST is equal to SGST, which is equal to rupees 200. Therefore, write down the answer here. Amir Enterprises, Amir Enterprise GST payable rupees 300 and CGST is equal to SGST is equal to rupees 150. And for Akbari Brothers, GST is equal to rupees 400. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to rupees. Next question is Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh Union Territory purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customers for rupees 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. Now here UTGST Union Territories, there is UTGST instead of SGST. Now write down the solution here. Now what is given in the first sentence? Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinder for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and rate of GST is given here. Is 5%. Therefore, input tax by Malik Gas Agency input tax by Malik Gas Agency is equal to 5% of 24,500. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. We get here 5 into 245. Solid. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 carry 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. Now we get here 1225. Therefore, it is ITC for Malik Gas Agency. Is equal to rupees 1225. Now next sentence is and sold them to the local customer for rupees. Write down here and sold them to customer for rupees 26,500 and the rate of GST is 5%. Therefore, output tax by Malik Gas Agency is equal to 5%, means 5 upon 100 into 26,500. 20 20 cancel. Now we get here 5 into 265. Solid. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32, 2 carry 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. Now we get here 1325. Therefore, GST payable by Malik Gas Agency is equal to output tax minus ITC, or you can say that input tax. Therefore, now the output tax we get here 1325 minus input tax is 1225. 5 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3, 2, 1. Now we get here rupees 100. Now we know that CGST is equal to half of GST, which is equal to half of 100. Solid 2 5 and 0. Now we get here rupees 50. Now the value of CGST is rupees 50. And next one is UTGST. Now UTGST is also equal to half of GST. 1 upon 2 into 100 solid, we get rupees 50. Therefore, write down the answer here. Malik Gas Agency paid GST rupees 100 and CGST rupees 50 and SGST rupees 50. Now next question is Mrs. Beauty Products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amounts of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued? Write down here solution. Now first sentence is given. Mrs. Beauty Products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth rupees 6,000. Therefore, input tax is equal to 18% of 6,000. 20 cancel. Now we get here 18 into 60. 18 0 0, 18 6 are 108. Rupees 1080. Now it is input tax credit is equal to rupees 1080. Now sold to a customer for rupees 10,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. Now output tax is equal to 18% of 10,000. Now solve it. 20 cancel. Now we get here 18 into 100, which is equal to rupees 1800, 1800. Therefore, find out GST. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Substituting the values here, now we get output tax rupees 1800 minus, and the input tax is or ITC 1080. Now solve it. We get 0 to 720. It is the value of GST. Now next one is amount of CGST and SGST. Now we know that the amount of CGST and the amount of SGST is equal to half of GST. Therefore half of 720. Cancel it. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, and 0. Now we get here rupees 360. Therefore write down the answer here. Messrs Beauty Products paid rupees 360 as CGST and rupees 360 as SGST. Now next one is prepare business to consumer means B2C tax invoice using given information. Write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN, etc. as per your choice. Supplier, measures, address, state, date, invoice number, and GSTIN. Particulars are rate of mobile battery is given rupees 200, rate of GST 12%, HSN 8507 1 piece. Now here for rate of GST is given, GST is equal to 12%. Therefore it is for mobile. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. Now solve it. We get half of 12%. Now percent of CGST SGST is equal to 2 6 are 12, 6%. It is the rate of CGST as well as rate of SGST of mobile first. Now the second is headphone. Rate of GST is given. Therefore GST is equal to 18%. CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to half of GST. Now the GST is 18%. 2 9s are 18. Therefore rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST is equal to 9%. Now here tax invoice. Now we take here name of supplier Lakshmi Electronics, address is L30 ABC Road Mumbai, pin code and Maharashtra. Now the GSTIN number is 27 AEIPA 27 indicate for Maharashtra state, and 10-digit PAN number of the supplier Lakshmi Electronics, and next one is 1Z5. It is GSTIN. Now let us take invoice number as GST 250. Now invoice date, write down here 3rd September 2020. Now the next first column is serial 1 and 2. There are two products, HSN code. Now look at here. First, name of product is mobile battery. Write down here mobile battery. And the code here is 8507. And the rate is 200 rupees. 200. Quantity is 1 piece. 1. Now the taxable amount is, we get here rupees 200. Now rate of CGST. Rate of GST is 12. Now we know that CGST and SGST both are 6%. Therefore rate of CGST is 6%, and here rate of SGST is also 6%. Now calculate CGST by doing rough work. 6 upon 100 into 200. 0 cancel. 6 into 2. Now we get here 12. Now here also rupees 12. Now the total amount, add these numbers, 200 plus 12 plus 12. We get here rupees 224. Now the next is headphone. Write down here headphone. Look at this. HSN code is 8518. Write down here. Rate is 750 rupees. 750. Quantity is 1 piece. Now the taxable amount is 1 into 750. We get here 750. Now rate of GST is given 18%. Therefore rate of CGST as well as SGST both are 9%. Therefore we can write here CGST 9% and SGST is also 9%. Now calculate here 9% of 750 by doing rough work. 9% of 750. 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are and 5 5s are. Now we get here 9 into 15 upon 2. Now 15 9s are 135 upon 2. Solid. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 1 0, 2 5s are. Now we get here 67.5. Write down here rupees 67.5, as well as SGST amount is also rupees 67.5. Now total amount, write down here. Add 750 plus 67.5 plus, therefore look at this, adding these numbers 750 00 67.50 and 67.50. Add these numbers 0 0 carry 1. 7 7 14 plus 1 15. 5 carry 1. 8 carry 1. 8. Now we get here total amount 885 rupees. Therefore 885 rupees. Now write down total here. Total tax 12 plus 67.5. 0.50. 7 plus 2 9. 6 plus 1. Here also we get same amount. 0.50. 79.50. Here also 79.50. Now add these two numbers. We get 9. 8 plus 2 10. 0 carry 1 and 11. Now the total amount is 1109. It is tax invoice of goods sold. Next question is, prepare business to business B2B tax invoice as per the details given below. Name of the supplier, address, date, etc. as per your choice. Supplier name, address, state, GSTIN, invoice number and date, and the recipient name, address, state, GSTIN. Now the items are given here. Pencil boxes 100, HSN 3924, rate is given rupees 20, GST 12%. And second one is jigsaw puzzles 50 HSN 9503 rate rupees 100 and GST is given. It is also 12%. Therefore, for pencil boxes, GST is equal to 12%. Therefore, we know that the rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST, which is equal to half of GST. Solid, we get half of 12%. Now we get 6%. It is the rate of CGST as well as SGST, both are equal to 6%. Now second one, jigsaw puzzle. For jigsaw puzzle, GST is also 12%. Therefore, for jigsaw puzzles, similarly, CGST is equal to SGST. Both are equal to 6%. Now, it is tax invoice. Now we write here supplier as a name, XYZ prices randomly, and the address is 350B L20 Mumbai and Maharashtra state. Now the GSTIN number of supplier 27. Now the 10-digit number for PAN number of supplier and 1Z5. 27 indicate for Maharashtra. Now the next one, recipient. We write here ABC General Store Mumbai, Maharashtra. Now it is the GSTIN number of recipient 27 indicate for Maharashtra. Now next 10-digit number for PAN number of recipient, and next one is 1Z5. Now look at this serial number, write down. 2 items are given, 1 and 2. Now first item is pencil boxes, name of product, write down here pencil boxes. HSN code is given, write down 3924. Now the rate is rupees 20. Quantity is 100. Therefore, taxable amount is 100 into 20. We get here 2000. Now we know that the rate of CGST and SGST both are equal to 6%. Write down here 6% as well as 6%. Now calculate here CGST as 6% of 2000 by doing rough work. 6 upon 100 into 2000, 0 cancel. Now we get here 6 into 20. Tax is rupees 120. Now the same SGST tax 120. Now find out the total. Calculate here 2000 plus 120 plus 120. We get here 2240 rupees. Write down. Now the next product is jigsaw puzzles. Write down here. HSN code is given here 9503. Rate is rupees 100 and the quantity is 50. Now taxable amount is 100 into 50. We get rupees 5000. Now we get rate of CGST as well as SGST, both are equal to 6%. Write down here 6% and here also 6%. Now calculate. CGST tax is equal to 6% into 5000. 6 upon 100 into 5000. 0 cancel. 6 into 50 we get rupees 300. Here also SGST tax is equal to rupees 300. Now calculate total amount. 5000 plus 300 plus 300. We get 5000 600. Now the total amount is 0487. Now we get here rupees 7,840. Write down amount in words. Rupees 7,840 only. Now it is tax invoice. Allah Hafiz.